Good morning world, 8:35 a.m. on the clock. It is Wednesday, I suppose, today. Oh my god. Sometimes I'm not keeping track of days of the week, but yeah, it happens. A couple of years ago it happened to me when every day was like a holiday, but right now it's every day like a working day. So yeah, but okay, so for today, first of all, I need to finish the feature which I started yesterday morning. Is to be able for Vox to show the transcription live as it happens in the pill. So the code should be done, but I need to test it properly and see if it really works without any bugs and everything is fine. After that, I have a couple of more features to do. Let's see. This one later. Yes, this one with error text taking too much space in the pill. And this one is in progress. Yeah, this one. And also I want to write a couple of Reddit articles in other subreddits, like macOS, maybe. Something else too. So yeah, we will see how it will go. But meanwhile, let's test it. And I need to close my up for now. Actually, it's interesting that it says time saved today 13 minutes, but it was yesterday from the morning session, so yeah. What if I trigger it? Okay, now it was recalculated. Do I need to save it as a bug? Maybe no, I don't know, okay, whatever. So yeah, close the Vox and let's open the code base, move it to the proper screen. And okay, here it is. And let's try to run it. And by the way, I didn't delete my production application, so let's see if it runs even when production application is installed. I think it should run properly. And then I wouldn't need to reinstall it. And when I release a new version, it will be easier to see the automatic upgrade and all of that, which is good. And also I know that Google released new version of anti-gravity. It also says me restart to update, but I want for now to stay on this version because from what I saw briefly, new version it's actually something very similar to Cloud Code, basically chat interface. And that's it. So I want to at least finish features and then restart and we'll see how it will look, because I still want to look through the code and all of that. Okay, it is running. Let's see. Quick settings. And I do have live transcript. Hello, how are you doing, my friend? Okay, so it is definitely not working. And let's see why might it not work actually. I think that the code change done. It is not affecting the proper pill stage. Let's see. If state listening. Initial get public settings, apply setting to pill. Shit ton of code. This needs to be refactored. Is live listening, is processing. Streaming grow enabled. Streaming. processing. Flex direction. Blah blah blah. Compact. Border radius. Okay, so somewhere it should say live transcript. Let's see. So it says listening. Interesting. Okay, let me try to re-enable it. Yeah, nothing happening. Transcribing, polishing, waveform. Okay. Unified wide layout, sticky header per scrollable body, active for transcribing and polishing always, and for listening when the user opted into. Music stopped. Oh. Why? Why did the music stop? Okay, let's see. Nice. If polishing, if transcribing. Okay, so I will need to look into this one, just in case. But it's about labels, so I suppose that... Oops, Siri, you are not needed here. And it was triggered on my phone, of course. I will close all of these. Let's see. Listening label, yeah, it's just listening. Shoot, it's closed. Oh, and it's oh my god, it's part of the same file. Oof. It definitely needs to be refactored. Show when is streaming. Is processing or is live streaming and streaming mode. The bug is somewhere. Okay, streaming text. Actually, okay, mode, streaming mode or transcript. Waiting for polish. Transcribing, streaming. Let's see. I want to try and add at least something here. Show span. Okay, let's add here span 1 to 3, just to make sure that this component renders at all. And it is not rendering. So we have view here, and yeah, I think I need to move crops in a little bit higher. So yeah. So basically nothing is happening. Yeah. Let's see. Field streaming text. Okay. Okay. So basically bug is somewhere here that this streaming text is not showing up. Maybe because this streaming is calculated to false or something. Okay, so I have live transcript enabled, but the problem is still there. The pill in its first form, basically waves, or so basically when the pill is listening, it still shows only 3 dots which go from left to right and no live transcript. I think that may be because streaming text component is not displayed. For some reason, maybe condition is streaming is not returning true here. So can you please double check it and make it work? Thank you. Okay. What? Okay, so you'll see in context is more or less okay. Okay, this one is working with the peel, but maybe I will also run... it's also peel. Okay, no, I will not run it. Peel showing only on the screen where app also peel. This one I don't want to do today. Downloading competitors. Because it's kind of investigative work, and maybe tomorrow, if there are no bugs and no major feature requests, maybe I will investigate competitors tomorrow. Basically, I want to download them and see their UI and UX, because I want to have the best possible UI UX experience. Because, for example, right now, all of these, like in this mode with quick settings toggled off, it looks okay, it looks fine, but with this thing it looks bloated, and if I go to settings, oh my god, it looks even more bloated. Okay, let's see, this one is working. So maybe in this case I will go to Reddit. And let's see, Reddit. Okay, I also have 3 notifications here, 6 uploads, first upload, and just a notification, okay, whatever. Okay, in this case... Shoot, how to see my previous posts? Blog, help, careers, press... How to see the previous posts I posted on Reddit. Okay. Profile, click post tab. Okay, I will do it on another screen just in case. Where is my profile? Okay, if I click here, okay, create post. Okay, I think I have it. 1 week, replaced. Okay, Cloud AI. No. So let's see the proper. Where is the proper one? Nope. It's Cloud AI. Class. Okay, I found the article, not article, but blog post, which I made 8 days ago already. Oh my god, it feels just recently. Shoot. Okay. Let's see. This. Hey Claude, so 8 days ago I posted a post on Reddit about the launch of my free application, and it was welcomed pretty good, and now I want to post to additional subreddits. I was thinking about macOS or something like that subreddit, but could you also suggest me other subreddits which would be acceptable for posts about free tools? Thank you. Okay. Here is my original post column. Okay, so this one will sync, and meanwhile let's go back to code. Bhagwan persists, the streaming text component still isn't displaying during listening. Let me trace the exact data flow end to end. Let me check. Okay, how much more time do I need to walk? Oh my, okay, 15 more minutes. That's fine. And I want to drink some water. Oh my god, it's not comfortable at all. Drinking water while walking on the walking path. And also my ceiling is pretty low, so I already have to go a little bit more down than my usual gait is. So yeah. Drinking water in this position was a bad idea. Okay, this one is sinking. I think this one should be done. Okay, let's see. Accessibility. Productivity. Productivity, yeah, maybe. Okay. Okay, nice. I like macOS, I like Apple Silicon, I like productivity. And I like ChatGPT subreddit. Shoot. Yeah, app was rebuilt, so it was restarted. Okay, I will have type manually. I like macOS, Apple Silicon, productivity. Productivity. Rewrite my original post for macOS subreddit. Okay, what's the code? Export on paper. This streaming is false, which happens if either events aren't arriving or login visible in the dev. Okay, so basically it adds logs so that then I can test it and copy the logs and provide it the logs. And then it will be able to fix it, hopefully. Okay. Let's see. And it's 8:44 already. Hold your technical specs into the body instead of drilling edits. Title first and body title, I will do local voice to text. Hold a hotkey talk and it pastes Polish text into any app. No cloud, no account, runs offline. Apple Silicon. Give me other title options. I want it to be more catchy. I want to be more catchy, but at the same time not. But at the same time, doesn't look time. It should not look like a clickbait. Okay. Okay, how much longer do I need to go for? 8.5 minutes, okay. And what's genuinely interesting about it? Free offline will hold the hotkey. Set, I made a free local voice text application for my own use and figured I would share it. Built a free on-device dictation tool for macOS. Privacy angle 1 since runs entirely on the device. Okay. So we can say privacy first. macOS up. Okay. Yes, okay, I like this one more. And it is macOS subreddit. Okay, let's go. macOS. Let's see. 750k weekly visitors. Not a lot. Are we getting Microsoft search now? Be civil. Okay, no posts that aren't related to macOS. No. Okay, no selling or asking to buy. Okay, no beta. What is beta posts? Okay, no spam. On Saturdays. Oh my god. Okay, no bots. Okay, so it looks like yeah, macOS will be later. Let's see what else did we have. Apple Silicon. Let's see Apple Silicon. Is there any subreddit like that? Yeah. Thanks, but there isn't. Yeah. No need. And productivity. Productivity should be a big one, but it also can. Our productivity have some rules. Be civil, no advertise, no sales. Shoot, like services of any type. Okay. R productivity has this rule. Does it mean my post will be removed there if I post it? Okay, let's see the code. Okay, so it's kinda done. It will provide some logs. Okay, we'll see. Let's clean up. Quick settings. yeah, I had a reminder to post posts on Reddit, but yeah. Okay, hello. Do you hear anything? Hello, my dear friend. Come on. Nope, nothing. Yeah, let's see. Okay, full restart. Okay, let me restart it. Why not? Actually, wait, I need to clean it up first. Hello, my dear friend, my boy! Okay. Here are the logs I see. Tower dev terminal. Okay. Okay, let's see. Context window. Okay, so I will have to either compact the conversation soon or start a new one. But yeah, it's interesting because I was thinking that these feature requests would be quite easy, but it seems that it is not. Discord close gate. Okay, why the heck? Passes run, no events, and the pill shows typing dots forever. Okay, the post-release transcript works because the final pass uses parakeet directly, and it's fast. Yeah, so it's fun. So basically what it did, it didn't include parakeet in the list of allowed engines. And it's good that I was using parakeet, because otherwise if I was using Whisper local, it would work for Whisper, but it wouldn't work for parakeet, and as a result there would be bug reports. Done. Okay, how much longer do I need to walk? 1 more minute. Do I want to walk more or not? Not fully. How it's going to look. Okay, while it's working, my walking pad stopped, and that means that I walked enough for this morning. Let's go to BRB and moving the walking pad. And let's say, actually yes, 5 minutes. I will go to the restroom too. So yeah, I will move it away. And meanwhile, I will do something like this. This one is still working. Hopefully it won't be boring for you. You can look how it's working, and you can also look at this guy jumping. I will be back soon. Okay, I am back. And we are going down. Okay, I have to wait. Okay, and this one is done. Okay, I will close. Let's see. Okay, so your app uses Parqueta's key engine. Okay, in the logs. Okay. So it added this part. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's see how it works. Nice. I actually like it pretty much, because why not? Ah. Okay, let's see if I disable it. Quick settings, live. Okay, what about now? Okay, so it should take quite some time to polish it, because first of all, there is a need to do everything fast, and after that there is need to do everything correctly, and also everything should be done finally. Okay, so UI in these cases look fine, but UI is live transcript. So when transcription is going to happen, basically UI doesn't look very good. And so I will stop and let's see. No, it was fine. Okay, what if there is not a lot of text? Okay, let's see what's going to happen now. Okay, so basically if transcription is... Okay, and let's see what did it paste. So everything's fine here, but... Okay. Okay. Okay, now I see an issue that while this mode is on with live transcript, if user didn't speak a lot, then when it goes to transcription phase, the pill looks cut off at the side, so similar to the previous bug that I sent you screenshots about the UI part. So I want to be fixed. Yeah, and it's like... Okay, now this live transcription is working, thank you. But the issue I see now is when it goes next to the final transcription part and then to polishing. For some reason, PLUI looks cut off at the sides again. I don't know why, and it doesn't happen always. It happens sometimes, so could you please look into that too? Thank you. Yeah. Okay. let's go and also check our chat here. Yes, the rule is about as airtime is no self-promotion rule gets, and your post would almost certainly be removed. Possibly worse. Post it anyway after the rule is spelled out clearly. Ban, okay. Caps. Anki style. What is Anki style? Okay, let's see Mac apps. Let's see this one and let's see this one. Yeah, so this one should be fine. Let's see Mac apps. 217 weekly visitors and 12k. Local. Oh my god. Why are they making it so hard? Okay, I will post to macOS apps. Okay, and let's see. Oh yeah, it's the same application. Okay, so let's see. And what if I try the bigger one? Oh yeah. Pum pum pum. Okay, so basically maximum. So I think the dynamic mean width minimum is not enough. Reset. Okay. I believe that the minimum value of this dynamic mean width is not enough. Maybe you can increase that. Because right now I see that for bigger text it's fine, but for small text with a couple of words it is still cut at the sides. Thank you. Oh my god. It was supposed to be very, very easy. Let's see. I want to try and reload the application. Maybe it will help. What if? Oh, and actually camera is not centered correctly. Give me a moment. Okay, it should be much better now. Okay, let's try again and let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay, let's try. Okay, and if I go to regular one. Okay, let's try. Yeah. The issue is still there. Can you try and see the styles and basically everything how it is happening when live transcript is disabled? Because when it is disabled everything looks fine, everything looks really good, but when I enable it, all of these like separate transcription phase and separate polishing phase, it cuts on the sides and UI looks ugly. So maybe you should just make sure that for both when live transcript is on and off, those two separate phases are actually look exactly the same. Thank you. Okay. How it is happening when live transcript is disabled, because when it is disabled everything looks fine, everything looks really good. Okay. And let's see how is my new post doing. Okay. And let's see. Okay, any sound? Should. Okay, whatever. And let's actually see the code. Okay, it's still working. Okay, body. Mini bar, dictation, app the trans. Private dictation for your Mac. No cloud, no account, no subscription. Okay, I think I will do this one. Let's see. macOS, join. Keep it spam free and enjoy the apps, okay? Local voice text for macOS that not only transcribes but polishes. Okay, let's go offline. Text for macOS that not only transcribes but also polishes. Your, let's say, your voice maybe, your speech. Locally with Gemma Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence sucks, but like, why not? Okay. Okay, this one will go, but I don't want to tell everything because I still want people to comment. Let's see, Vox is a free menu bar app that turns your voice into clean, polished text in any macOS app. Hold the hotkey, talk, release, and the text gets pasted wherever your cursor is. Notes, mail, Slack, browser filter, IDE, ChatGPT, anywhere. The thing that makes it different from most dictation tools, it runs 100% locally and polishes. No cloud calls, no API keys, no telemetry, no account, once a model don't load during boarding. It works fully offline. It is also free for personal use with no sign up. How it works: to open models, do the work, and you can pick transcription, video or whisper, polish in the raw transcription sounds readable. Gemma 4 or Apple Intelligence. The app loads everything for you, no separate model setups. Gemma options range from a tiny it to be model. I want next song. Oh my god. Okay. Small enough to run on a phone, up to 26B. I run E4B day to day. It's fast and the quality is more than good enough for this. Roughly 200 megabytes RAM idle, 300 while you're talking, with a brief spike to 4.6 for a couple of seconds during transcription polishing, then back down. View is basically zero at rest, the highest I've seen under load is around 10. I don't care about Windows because it's subreddit about macOS. It's about 3 weeks old. There are bugs I have. There may, because yeah, maybe bugs I haven't. Other users. Let's say 95% of the quality, because I have improved it all over the last week. Paid apps that I use it every day. I was paying for a subscription dictation app mostly to dictate prompts to LLMs, and $15 a month for that felt like too much. So I spent 2 weeks of evenings building my own. The math doesn't really work out, but here we are. I'm still figuring out who this is for besides me, so feedback means a lot, especially where it breaks and which apps you used it in. Bug reports over compliments. You can file issues on GitHub. Let's see, I will add link here. I will remove this one. And there is Discord for feedback and feature requests. I also build it live if you want to watch or push for features. To watch. Okay, and yeah, I also add Discord, like, why not? Feedback and feature requests. I also build. Okay. Yeah, I think it looks good. Oh yeah, layer and tags. Books, business, dev tools. Oh, I sneezed. I love it a lot. Okay, so let's say productivity maybe. Let's go social, sports, travel, utilities, weather. Question here. Brand affiliate, not okay. I don't need any text. Can I? No, I can't. Okay, whatever. Post. Okay. The post is done, and we'll see. Okay, hopefully. Okay, this one is done. Okay, let's see. So I have it disabled. Let's test this one. Okay, so I'm testing with not a lot of force. Okay. Okay, so let's see with bigger amount of force and let's see how it works. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, everything works fine. Now let's see how. Quick settings. Good. This live transcript disabled. Okay, so let's see the happy path and make sure that here everything works fine too. Yep. Okay, nice. Now, what if? Okay, so what if I have this one and then I decide to change? What is going to happen now? And now it's going to transcribe. Like, not perfect behavior, but I think that it should be fine. And let's see, so what if it's big one and then I disable live transcript? So it looks fine, but what is going to happen when I continue next? Yeah. And yeah, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, it looks very, very good. Now, if there are any additional logs that are not required, I want you to remove them. And after that, I want you to spin up a sub-agent which is going to review the code and make sure that the code is good. And then if it returns any issues which should be fixed, you have to fix them. Thank you. Okay, that should be fine. And yeah, it's very, very close to my imaginary limit for context window, like 347. It's a little bit on the higher side, but it's still fine. Okay, and it's 9:38, so maybe an hour more of streaming. So hopefully I will do this, and I think that it's time to refactor the build component, so I will also do a refactoring. Meanwhile, let's see if there are any likes, so that I can do some push-ups and be fit finally. Nope, looks like no likes. Okay. Then I won't be fit, no problem. Okay, so this will take some time. Let's see. How many views does it have? 19, no applause. Come on, upvote it. I know you can. Okay, Mac apps, 10 points local karma. Faster proofing workflow. Let's see here. Oh my god, what the heck is this? Is this how Reddit looked a few years ago? Oh my god. Actually, wait, what did it? 3 comment karma, so someone is keeping disliking some of my Phase 2 report. Last month we introduced post formatting requirements, included detail minimums in every app. Problem, compare pricing, changelog. Trust transparency or the app file. Okay, these devs have the easiest route posting the main Mac App feed. Mac App Store developers. Developers with established GitHub projects. 1 year plus, Real community interest, recognize developers trust the user player. Post to main. If you are not in the Mac App Store and are not already an established developer, you may still qualify for main feed posting by being open about who you are and giving users feelings. Trust you, such a promotion post management post. These trust signals should show you are not just a throwaway account, okay? Yeah, okay. Dash. Visit here. Oh my god, no, I don't want to do it here, I'll do it on another screen. Like, what? Come on. Okay, but either way, I want to post it in here. Okay, let's see. Oh, they have new UI. Okay. Okay. Now I want you to rewrite the post for Mac apps, and I have also pasted a list of their requirements for the post. Ah, shoot, it was rebuilt. Ah. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it seems like this is going to be the only feature of today's release. So it's already 9:48. And for refactoring the pill, I think that I will run it, but I will not release it with today's release. Either way, it's only code improvement itself, not any additional feature or bug fix. Let's see here. Maybe I'll also fix this one. Okay, so I believe that both Rizen HQ and Vox should have privacy policy. Let's see. Yep. And if I go to Vox, okay, it does have privacy policy and terms of service. Yep. Yep. Okay. By the way, I also want to go and make sure that, let's say for Teams, okay, double check. So Stripe was sending me some emails that some of my test webhooks were failing, but that's okay. But now what I want to double check, I want to double check that I have production Stripe connected here, because it would be sad if something wanted to pay me and it failed. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, it is a proper one, so it is fine, everything is fine. Everything good. Okay, nice. Okay. I have privacy policy and terms of service for both and Vox. Link to streams. Let's see. I will do it from my other tab. Not tab, but my other browser. One and then I'll go here and copy this link. Link to LinkedIn is public information, so why not? Okay, and while it's in, actually let's look at the code, maybe it is done. Okay, it is done, and now let's test them. Okay, so I'm testing the default mode without live transcript. Let's see how it works. Okay, I'm testing default mode. Yeah, I want to double see if Polish. Why the heck is Polish not working? Fuck. What the fuck? Quick settings. Okay, so let's see how polishing works. What the heck? Shoot. Okay, let me stash everything. Changes not stage, but should stash here. Stash live transcript. I want to make sure that polishing works fine in the previous build, basically. Double check that it is an issue with the current one. Okay, polishing should work fine and remove all ums. Okay, everything's good. Yes. Okay, and now let's unstash changes. Shoot. Let's reload. Okay, polishing should remove all ums. Everything looks good. What the heck? Why wasn't it working before? Okay, so let's see how it works. Okay, and what if I reload it? Just in case, to start with default mode. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, everything's fine. Okay, commit message. Styles. PC. Okay, so this one is done. And I think that refactoring will be done in the work tree. I want you to refactor the peel code base because the file become too big and bloated. So you need to split it into multiple files, a lot of multiple much smaller files. After that, I want you to run a sub-agent which is going to make a code review and make sure that nothing is broken. And if this sub-agent finds any issues, you have to fix them if they make sense. Thank you. Okay. Okay, it's going to happen in the work tree, so it is fine. And yeah, meanwhile, actually, let's go to the chat. Actually, wait. And Windows support. Be visible in dock as an option. Okay, so this one should be relatively quick one. Will is shown only on the screen where app was initially launched. This one, I don't know. Maybe quick, maybe not quick. Mod while speaking, show new mod in peel. This one should be relatively easy one. So yeah, hopefully by the end of the week I will be able to finish all small improvements and then I will start working on Windows release. Oh yeah, I need 10 karma first. Okay. And it was okay. Any upvotes? Come on. Okay, Mac apps. And again, let's go with new ones. Which is how it is displayed with translation shown right next to it. Just a foreign word. You left click. Okay, play the audio. I wanted to ask if... I want to add some meaningful comment here, but it's add, or I mean karma with meaningful comments. And custom slots of your own, fewer words, same app. Okay, which languages it has? Spanish, French, Italian, German, Portuguese, English, Polish. Shit. Okay, apps. Instant capture text from images and more. Oh, can we make this and even wasn't hated already? Okay. Let's go through hot. Rizen. Master proof in workflow, uploading previews. What is the difference between bass and top? Yeah, so this one will take some time to work. I want to make some reasonable comment to this post. It should be with some feature proposal, ideally, and features should be relatable to a lot of people. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Give me other ideas and make it shorter. It's Reddit, so it should feel very, very native to the Reddit audience. Right now it is too long and too non-Reddit style. Yeah, I want the next one. Oh my god, it's the same, but going to try it. Couple of hours. One request for the future. It's clicking to reveal basically means I didn't know this one. Goods are attached quietly show those words more often and fade out the ones I never reveal. Okay. And now it's interesting to see if just posting a comment added to my comment karma or not. Let's see. Okay, looks like not, it didn't count. Mac apps. Nope. Okay, in this case means that I need to create reasonable comments to get up votes. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Code is still working, okay, so it is looking through the code base. But yeah, I think that I will just tag this one as 1.6. Okay, so the build should be in progress. Because it's already 10:16 and I want to finish before 10:30. Okay, and I'm looking through. Best. How to price. Okay, 6 months ago I built a little site near Rizen and used to see if they are getting overcharged for car insurance. I launched it on Reddit and the response has been insane. We just hit 100k users. Please promote it. Zipporah released native macOS archive tool built with oh my god, no interesting posts, come on. It's done with refactoring. Nice. Why does it not show any changes? Strange. Yeah, it created 17 files. Lol. Okay, I think that this one can be stopped. Let's see, I will double check if... Actually, I can check it from my other browser. Let's see, from this one I can go to GitHub and I can go to Vox releases. And let's see, releases latest. 150 and I did 160. Not done yet. Why? Okay, now that is strange and I need to double check if the build didn't fail. Yep, build failed. Shit. This 10.2 already, come on. Let's see details. Okay, so it seems that I should just rerun the job. Actually, can I run only failed jobs? Okay, run. And hopefully it should resolve itself. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now do similar for this post. Bam. Okay, product hunt. Okay, so it's basically a giveaway. How much does it cost? Come on, where is the price? Hello? Overview. Here. Monthly, yearly. Okay, so basically they are pushing everyone for a lifetime purchase. I see. Okay, let's see. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Sorry. No. Блин, fuck. I pasted it into the wrong one. Chat. I have to do this one. Oh. Okay, let's see. Exists. Oh. Exists. Trusting. An AI with my files is a theory to scatter everything and I can't undo it. Show me the full move plan, let me approve or click it, then one time undo it if it's wrong. I would trust it much more. Okay, let's see. Shoot! Again! Why? Build failed again. And the same error. Ooh. Shoot. At least I completely forgot to bump the versions. Shoot. 1.6. 1.6. This one. 1.6. Cargo. 1.6. And lost. Yes. Okay. Okay. Bum. Bump version 2160. Commit. Sync. Can I tag this one? Should, okay. Good. How to remove git tag? Okay, so it's going to be git tag D. Okay, and now like this. Oh, okay. Git delete and git push tags. Okay, and now come on. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Tag D. Okay. This one. Okay. Okay. And now git tag, git put tag. Okay. It should be better now. Woo. Okay, so release in progress. I'll be finishing the stream for today. And I think that I will release it in a couple of minutes, like maybe in 10-20 minutes, and make some announcements in Discord and where else? And directly to the person who made this request. Yep, I'll be finishing for today. Everyone have a nice day. Bye bye.